Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Mackrams. Time for episode 4 of season 1 of Sons of Anarchy. Let's get to it.
I don't want you out roguing with this guy, you hear me? Stick to charming business. This Fed wants anything, he runs it through me.
Oh, of course. You're the chief.
So creepy. You got a piece? Goddamn right. You gonna shoot an ATF agent? That's bold, no?
Does Clay know?
Relax, Mom. It's gonna be fine.
Oh, my bedtime is there.
See, I gotta admit, Clay's old lady gives me a serious milk chubby. Hey, I brought the car out of the milk chubby? I used to like a compliment, you know, because she's hot. Stop.
He's a moron.
Last time you had free range on pussy, you throat pumped 2 brownies. Your DNA almost brought us down. Besides, you're the only one I can trust to handle this.
Come on, Holland Barrels. Let the prospect go with juice.
What prospect?
I just caught it. Oh, shit.
Sorry.
That's what you would get for being a fucking idiot.
All right. Say cheese. Cheese. Nice.
That's before.
Before. Don't ever sit on another man's bike. That's after.
Oh, Dutch. I think that's his name, Dutch Wagenbach on The Shield. I know it's Wagenbach. You're not gonna forget that fucking name. I think it's Dutch. Old Dutchy boy.
Yeah, you are the James T. Kirk of the MC world.
Oh, where no man has gone before.
Oh, let me tell you, brother, I think every man's gone there before.
As in 1200. A night. My treat, brother.
Show me the way.
100 easy.
I'll see you in a couple of days.
Call me. Let me know he's okay. Look, you know I'll drive out there. How embarrassing would that shit be?
I'll call.
Hey, girls. Beers are warm.
We just pulled those. I'll get those. Excuse me?
It's closer. Go away. Stupid.
No one's yet. But soon one of these guys will realize what a fine old lady I'm gonna make. How long have you been doing it? It's about 3 years.
Jesus.
You've been second guessing Clay ever since your boy was born. Club's picking up on it. You gotta get right with that.
You can't ask for more than that. You can't ask for more than that. That's fair goddamn warning.
Holy shit! Run! Shit! Go! Go! Holy shit! Run! Run! Run!
How? So they triple dose to start something. Ow.
Crimson what?
Crank.
You fed Crystal to kill the government. Are you retarded?
Maybe.
We're in.
Looks like significantly more than half.
You're a hero. Can you still have kids, or?
Yeah, he's real cute.
I get used to this.
Let's just take it a night at a time, man.
Pure honesty, huh?
I gotta admit, this one gives me a serious chubby.
That is awful and hilarious and kind of gross, but fantastic all at once.
Make sure to be safe. No serial numbers.
She's fascinating. Gemma is.
Chuck's out.
Shax. Shax is out of his fucking mind. Shit. Oh! We got Jury. I like Jury.
What kind of neighborhood she live in?
Old Town? Pretty nice, I think. You really don't trust this bitch, do you?
Look at Gemma put it together.
Vegas will stick around for a while.
Appreciate that. Brother. Yeah.
Shax has done a lot of rogue shit. Clay's not gonna be pleased.
Always, bring some Legos, help him out.
Oh, I got some helpers for you.
Aww.
Really? Oh, I love you.
You okay?
I'm fine.
I think maybe someone could have called. I've been sitting here.
Bill. That was a perfect mom answer. Jesus. Dutch is awful. I'm not sure what the fuck she thought was going on. What he does with his knights. Alright, that was episode 4 of season 1 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? Different day, different church. First things first, I don't know where to begin. I mean, this was an odd episode for me. Jackson's continued. Does he call him Jackson? And that's his name, but I've never said it before. Jax continues to move further and further away from Clay. Now he's acting against Clay's wishes. He's lying about what he's doing. I don't know the guy's name. The secretary. Essentially the consigliere to Clay. But he essentially feels very as good of a dude as you can be in this world. Like, he's clearly got Clay's back, but he obviously just trying to get Jax back on track here. And he told him in the nicest of ways, in the most plain of ways, we can all feel you tugging, so to speak. So stop doing that. Get with the shits. This is what's going down. Obviously, we're going to come to some Jackson Clay blow up. I just don't know when. But I'm here for it. Dutch is a creep. I don't know his name. You'll have to forgive me. He works for the ATF from Chicago. Running around taking pictures. I'll be going with Dutch till I learn his name. First of all, his fucking leaving flowers is creepy. His being here at all is creepy. But then him sending her a picture of Jax fucking some chick is super creepy. And her face, by the way, I get being disappointed. But like, what you think was going on here? Grow up. But yeah, there was some fun moments with, he's going to probie, like he's on probation. Prospect, paying for his like that to me, out of all the things that's happened, and you know, Asian L is my favorite thing. Completely unrealistic to make that noise when you're getting beat up, but it was entirely too funny to not to stick out negatively in my mind. This, however, Prospect's a fucking moron. First of all, you wouldn't say it out loud, and then secondly, to say it without figuring out where the fuck Clay is, that's insane. He's kind of a moron, as is Shades. The blonde that they picked up, that Jax picked up, it was kind of cool seeing it from her point of view, like just a complete introduction to this world. Good luck to you. I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, post your comments down below. Solid episode. Like, share, subscribe.